Start on a voucher. This process assumes that the AP person is in the middle of processing a voucher. Click the Search POs field to search for your PO. Select your PO from the dropdown. Click the Add button to attach the selected receipt to the PO. The AP person realizes the cost is incorrect. Click the AP drop-down menu. Click Receipt Adjustments. Click the Add Adjustment button to create a new cost adjustment. Select a location. Click the Submit button to save your changes. Click the Search POs button to find your receipt. Click the Add button to attach the selected receipt. Click the Submit button to save your changes. The on-shelf value column tells you the current value of the inventory on the shelf. The built value column gives the value of material that has been used in built to stock work orders. The shipped value column gives the value of material that has been shipped out. Adjusted cost is where you can change the cost to the new value. Click the Adjusted Cost field to edit the value. Click the Commit button to finalize the transaction. This is what actually makes the change in cost live. Click the Ledger tab to view ledger information. This page gives you all of the ledger entry details. If you click into the entry, you can also see it in more detail. Go back to your voucher and add the receipt fresh so it captures the changes. Select the PO. Click the Add button to attach the selected receipt to the PO line. The new cost will be captured.